Your mom cat sitting there watching, make sure everybody's okay. They got their water. No one left eating. Plenty of water. Everybody else ate, and they're all out there playing in the snow. They're all enjoying everything out here. Out in the sun, playing in the snow. Happy, got some loving, some petting, playing together. They found some dry spots to sit on. And I hope Crook's okay. He's around somewhere. Love these babies though. Like I said, got plenty of food, plenty of everything they need. I'll make sure every day they're healthy and full. Till God lets me know His plan, where we're all going to be and what we're going to do. Love all you babies. Love everybody. Love all the kitties. You were really hungry, weren't you? Here comes Fluffy. Out the woods. Running around playing. Beautiful baby.